I behold the African diaspora, so diverse, so dynamic, so eclectic. A once colorful bale of human fabric knitted together creating a quilt over the motherland like the blackamoor civilizing Europeans. The Batawian, the Bantu, Ashanti, the Zulu, Mandingo, Fulani, Adinkra, Yoruba stand firm in solidarity like Michael Rose in Black Uhuru. Hoy there! Who you? Oh, it's Mr. Carcasside, trying to distort, trying to hide, divide and rule stepping all on my pride. Umoja ujima ujama kuhumba, umoja ujima ujama kuhumba. With Nia as my purpose, Imani as my faith, I'm Kuji Chagulia and I define my race. That was the Nguzo Saba, with it I stay alive. Thanks to Dr. Malani Karinga Irate of Kwanzaa 1965. Now listen up, you big neck, thick neck, because you've been studying our prologue and our epilogue, trying to dissect the dialogue in our dialect. But I scripture, I'm here to illuminate all you illiterate. From Ethiopia to Ghana, from Zimbabwe to Zanzibar, it was written and said, every African is a star. Chad and Sudan are likened to our Nubian queens. In the same regards, our empresses have inspired us to realize our highest dreams. Swahili holds our communication firm like Napatan monks in meditation. Obelisks of Axum tell tall tale of a stellar generation. The temples of Lalibela holds the secret the Vatican seeks to find. The De Beers legacy is only a glimmer of South Africa's diamond mines. The pyramids and hieroglyphs of Kemet predate history, long before Greco-Roman stolen legacy. When Sankore was erected, Oxford was nowhere around, and Timbuktu, the center of learning where all books could be found. So, Africa was never, is not, and will never be a dark continent. For while the world satiates its insatiable appetite and the coveted flesh of Africans, the sleeping giant slumbers still, awaiting a change in paradigm, the awakening of the minds to proceed along the African timeline. Sankofa, Aluta, continua!
Sila, the word healer, scripture, my heart, mind, and soul to soul guest.